Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to fix ClickBank account issues. Firstly, go to the ClickBank login page and click on Forgot Your Password under the login form. Type in the email address or username linked to your ClickBank account. Now complete the CAPTCHA and select how you'd like to receive your reset code via email or text messages, then click Next. Now check your email or phone for the verification code and enter the code into the verification code field and click Next. Enter a new strong password, then confirm it and click Save to update your password. Now return to the ClickBank login page and sign in using your email or username and new password. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you guys for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe for our channel for more tips and tricks like this.